How y'all doing, YouTube? I'm here to give y'all an update on me and my families and us, and we just went through a little tropical storm, Barry, okay, and everything's good so far, kinda. Now, let me get to the point. I let my wife Esther's family come over here, like her sister and that other bitch. And her sister Charlene, I don't know, she strikes me. She just rubs me wrong, baby. She she was locked in my bathroom. It all started last night. She was locked in there for a long time, and I had to take a shit. And I told Esther, baby, go get Charlene out the bathroom. Daddy got to go now. And while I'm waiting, I go outside, check on my cucumbers and tomato plants and all that, and I see her bug eyes, neck, like that, bro. It was like a goddamn $50 something. I don't know. I don't even know. But I went back in and I banged on that door and she came out sweating. I said, baby, what's wrong with you? I got to shit. And she said, man, they after me. They coming. I said, who? There ain't but one coming, baby. That's Barry. That's who's coming. And she was just wigging out. But I'm so glad they're gone. That's why I'm on here right now. They went back home, and boy, I couldn't be more thankful. But down here at Platte, we caught, man, it drizzled. 99.9% of the time, the weatherman's lying. I tell you that much. And we good, babe. I'm cooking a gumbo, and we about to chow down. Okay, babe, I'm gonna go stir my pot, and we'll get back to y'all as soon as I get back on here. Woo!